Can you make stickers using AI? That is the big question that we're going to deal with today, and short answer, yes. Stick around with me and I will show you the program that I use to make my stickers and how to easily print them out using a Cricut Maker. Super straightforward, and let's just go ahead and get into it. Alright, first off, I know there are a bunch of AI programs and a lot of free ones out there as well. The main free one that I have been using is the Bing image generator. So let's go ahead and just start off with Bing image, and you can see it's already going in there. Alright, and let's see. We want to make a sticker of a healer dog. Doing crafts. Let's try that out, see what that comes up with for us. And you can see we've already done this a few times already. I have liked some of the results. Okay, I kind of really like this one. So let's grab this guy right here. We're going to download that. Can I customize? What does customize mean? Microsoft Designer, huh? Cancel. Remove the background. I don't know that I love that, so let's go ahead and just open this up in Paint. Where's this guy at? Here he is. Alright, so just come in here, select our background, delete. Don't know what that is. We'll leave that. Don't need this button guy here, so let's delete that, and then just copy him. We're gonna go on to a new piece. Okay. There we go. And then if you just want to cut out your stickers by hand, you can just go through here, size it however you want. Boom, boom, boom. You are good to go on that. So that's easy way to do it, number one. We're going to go ahead and save this and open it back up in Cricut. So let's do Healer Sticker Craft 2. And open this up in our Cricut Maker. And they did add a new feature that lets you create a sticker. So we're going to try to mess with that a little bit, but we're going to try to do this kind of quick and easy here. So let's just search healer. Did I spell it wrong? you also want to make sure when you save it that you save it as a PNG. That's probably the issue that I'm having. There we go. Open. We're going to go into complex. We do not have to remove a background, so just continue, and we're going to do print and cut. Add to canvas. And you can see we've already got a little bit of a border here. So we're just going to take this as it is right there and just create a sticker. Check it out. We're going to do a kiss cut, so that's going to cut around the borders. And then we're going to do just a thin border on here. Give it that sticker look. And we're going to die cut the edge, which basically cuts out the sticker itself for you. And we're not going to do any kind of cutting interior shapes or anything like that. So, boom. See if this will work easily for us. There we go. We are good. So let's see how that's going to stack. That is perfect. So that's going to cut these guys out just like that. So let's try to get a couple more. See if we can fit all those onto one sheet. Almost. Okay, let's try making these just a wee bit smaller. A little bit shorter, I guess I should say. So let's cut this down to 3. And then copy and paste. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Make. Boom, we are on one sheet of paper. And we're going to be using this sticker paper that I got from Amazon. Got it super cheap, and I will drop a link to that in the description and comments down below. I will also be putting a link to the printer as well as the Cricut maker for you guys, just in case you don't have one already and have been looking to get one. So we are going to load our printer up. Make sure that you got the sticker side facing out. And send to printer. Adding bleed is just adding color for the cutting area. Doesn't really matter because we're just using white anyways, so that doesn't matter at all. If you need to adjust the settings that you're printing with, just click on Use System Dialog, hit Print. If you are on an Apple, it's going to hide behind that page. So we definitely want it to be printing in color. Make sure you've got your correct printer size selected, printer paper size. You can go in here, and we want to use the best quality, the best, and print. So while that's printing, I'm going to turn on the maker. This does not take long to print at all. And then get your mat ready. As you can see, mine is well loved. And so the option that I use is this one right here, the printable sticker paper clear no liner, because some stickers apparently have some kind of liner that you put on top of it, which I don't have. Okay, these came out awesome. Check that out. So we are just going to get this on our mat right here. You honestly don't have to worry about getting it perfectly aligned or anything like that, because these marks here are your registration marks. So the printer will automatically scan for that. And Cricut's gonna Cricut for a little while. That's the registration process that it's going through right there. Alright, so that got our stickers all the way cut out for us, so we peeled this off. You can see we've got our stickers already cut out and the shape that we want them. And in just a few minutes time, we've got ourselves 6 stickers. How awesome do those look? And then if you want to also, you can just peel the borders off of these guys to make it easier for whoever's using it in the future. Boom. You are done. Alright, speaking of done, that's just about it for all of us. Like I said, I will put a link to everything that you need to make these in the description and comments down below, as well as a link to the AI. If you guys think that I did this in the dumbest way possible, you're probably right. Either way, let me know if you did it. If you are going to try it, let me know, and maybe show me what you end up making. Oh, this is the previous one that I made. I went into a little more detail making these guys. Might try to put that video up later, but that was a lot of messing up on my part. Anyways, check out, or no, subscribe. Where's my finger at? Good Lord. Subscribe over here and check out this video here. Have a good one. Bye.